Warmth, comfort, and connections are amongst many popular and coveted themes when turning a house into a home. And this industrial ranch house in Thorold is a celebration of unique living spaces, design, and community. When styling grand spaces such as this family room, adding design elements such as texture, unique furniture pieces, and wall accents help create the perfect industrial ranch look. In high traffic areas, choose furniture that will be durable yet functional. This deconstructed leather chair is the perfect fit for this large space and industrial theme. This expansive wall is treated with a faux brick finish that creates an immediate impact and merges all the design elements into one cohesive look. This home's design is truly about moments and connection, and that sense of togetherness continues into the kitchen. A large harvest table offers an opportunity for parties or a quiet family meal, and the dark cabinetry and mosaic backsplash add that hint of modern sophistication. The industrial ranch home beautifully captures a sense of warmth and togetherness.